Guys, welcome back. This is Ashwini studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today I am here to talk about stages of design thinking and benefits of design thinking. What is design thinking? Design thinking is an iterative, non-linear process which focuses on a collaboration between designers and users. It brings innovative solutions to life based on how real users think, feel, and behave. This human centered design process consists of five core stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. The stage 1 is empathize, research your users' needs. The first stage of the design thinking process focuses on user centric research. You want to gain an empathetic understanding of the problem you are trying to solve. Consult experts to find out more about the area of concern and conduct observations to engage and empathize with your users. You may also want to immerse yourself in your users' physical environment to gain a deeper personal understanding of the issues involved as well as their experiences and motivations. Empathy is crucial to problem solving and human centered design process as it allows design thinkers to set aside their own assumptions about the world and gain real insight into users and their needs. Depending on the time constants, you will gather a substantial amount of information to use during the next stage. The main aim of the empathize stage is to develop the best possible understanding of the users, their needs, and the problems that underlie the development of the product or service you want to create. The stage 2, define, state your users' needs and problems. In the define stage, you will organize the information you have gathered during the empathize stage. You will analyze your observations to define the core problems you and your team have identified up to this point. Defining the problem and the problem statement must be done in a human centered manner. For example, you should not define the problem as your own wish or need of the company. We need to increase our food product market share among young teenage girls by 4%. You should pitch the problem statement from your perception of the user's needs. Teenage girls need to eat nutritious food in order to thrive, be healthy, and grow. The define stage will help the design team collect great ideas to establish features, functions, and other elements to solve the problem at hand, or at the very least, allow real users to resolve issues themselves with minimal difficulty. In this stage, you will start to progress to the third stage, the ideation phase, where you ask questions to help you look for solutions. How might we encourage teenage girls to perform an action that benefits them and also involves your company's food related product or service, for instance? The next is ideate, challenge assumptions and create ideas. During the third stage of the design thinking process, designers are ready to generate ideas. You are grown to understand your users, their needs in the empathize stage, and you have analyzed your observations in the define stage to create a user centric problems statement with a solid background. You and your team members can start to look at the problem from different perspectives and ideate innovative solution to your problem statement. There are hundreds of ideation techniques you can see, such as brainstorm, brainwrite, what's possible idea, and scamper. Brainstorm and what's possible idea techniques are typically used at the start of the ideation stage to stimulate free thinking and expand the problem solving. This allows to you generate as many ideas as possible at the start of ideation. You should pick other ideation techniques towards the end of the stage to help you investigate and test your ideas and choose the best ones to move forward with, either because they seem to solve the problem or provide the elements required to circumvent it. Stage 4, prototype, start to create solution. The design team will now produce a number of inexpensive, scaled down versions of the product to investigate the key solutions generated in the ideation phase. These prototypes can be shared and tested within the team itself, in other departments, or on a small group of people outside the design team. This is an experimental phase and aims is to identify the best possible solution for each of the problems identified during the first three stages. The solutions are implemented within the prototypes, and one by one they are investigated and then accepted, improved, or rejected based on the user's experiences. By the end of the prototype stage, the design team will have a better idea of the product's limitations and the problems it faces. They will also have a clearer view of the how real users would behave, think, and feel when they interact with the end of product. The next stage is test. Try your solutions out. Designers or evaluators rigorously test the complete product using the best solutions identified in the prototype stage. This is the final stage of the 5-stage model. However, in an iterative process such as design thinking, the results generated are often used to redefine one or more further problems. This increased level of understanding may help you investigate the conditions of use and how people think, behave, and feel towards the product, and even led you to look back to a previous stage in the design thinking process. You can then proceed with further iterations and make alterations and refinements to rule out alternative solutions. The ultimate goal is to get as deep and understanding of the product and its uses as possible. These are the benefits of design thinking: stronger value propositions, rapid customer insight, customer engagement, transformational innovation, less squandered R&D, reduced commercial risk, functional silos eroded. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.